what's with that Super South area, which New Valley is part of. But ang daming tao dyan, daming expat, because the foundation was very good. Laid down yan 20-30 years ago by Ayala. Guys, Realtor Mike here. I'm here at Nagoya, cities in Japan. It's the automotive center. They call it Detroit of Japan. You know, in Detroit States, dun yung mga factories ng mga kotse. No? That's why they call it Nagoya. Is the big car companies are. No? So they have Toyota here, where I am now, no, Toyota, the museum. And then there's Nissan, I think, Honda, and Mitsubishi. So their presence is big here in Nagoya. That's why tingnan nyo yung sa mga parts ng Toyota nyo, may nakalagay doon, Nagoya, Japan. So it's here where they make it. Very similar to Santa Rosa. Good segue, no? Santa Rosa, Laguna. Part of the Super South. Yeah, called Super South. New Valley area, just outside. No? Toyota is there. They have a big manufacturing area there. And they have an automotive school there for mechanics and for people who want to work in Toyota. They have a big presence there. I think they have the biggest. Sadly, Honda was there before and Hyundai, but they left for some reason. They tried to imitate Toyota. They weren't very successful. They may come back. We have Suzuki there. Mitsubishi is still there. And part of the Super South is yung Batangas port, where dun naglalanding maraming kotse from Japan and from the other areas, and then they put local parts, for example, batteries, tires, in varying degrees, part of the automotive program of the Philippines. So why am I saying this? So, yung Santa Rosa, New Valley, Super South areas becoming an industrial hub. So ang daming foreigners, especially Japanese, high management, technical guys, and marami ring foreigners na of other heritage, no? Koreans, Americans, and many others. Kaya they find the area very nice, medyo slow-paced. Unlike in Metro Manila, they can play golf. Their favorite restaurants in Punyari, I'll feature it in another video. And you can see in some villages, especially Santa Rosa Estates 1, ang taas ng rental rates ng mga people, expats who live in Laguna Technopark, hanggang Lipa, in Carmona, Cavite, dami. Special mention to the microchip companies. No? There are many American microchip companies there. No? I have a friend who works there. Yung mga microchip pala, no? It's from as simple as the power windows up to some military applications na medyo confidential kung saan ilalagay yung mga chips na yun. They're made in the Philippines. From Mapua, from UP, mga friends who graduated there, settled in the South. Laki ng area, growth area, industrial, Super South, no, which Nuvali is a part of. So they like the weather, they like the slow pace, slower pace at Metro Manila, and create so many jobs. From the factory workers to the middle managers, high managers, and up. No? They're really earning a lot. So yung mga special processing zones. No? Yun, just wanted to relay that information to you. Na you may be asking, what's with that Super South area, which New Valley is part of. No? But ang daming tao dyan, daming expat, because the foundation was very good. Laid down yan 20-30 years ago by Ayala, all the other big developers who seen the potential of that area, because it's striking distance to Metro Manila. Before malayo, but now with the CALAX and the other road infrastructure, no? Yung next video ko about trains naman, yung I'll discuss, no? Striking distance na siya, yung Super South area. So yun muna, just wanted to give a brief pan of the area. Very nice if you have a time to visit here. Nagoya, they have this Toyota commemorative museum. They have 3 actually, 3. Ito yung isa lang pupuntahan namin. So ano pala sila nagsimula? Cloth muna, then they evolved into something else. Very nice. So Realtor Mike here, stay safe, stay in faith. Konnichiwa. Bye.